Good morning. Ooh, it's like acha. Look at this. I'm having acha. Oh my goodness.
Pickles,
Yeah.
mango pickles and carrot mix.
Oh, so it's mango pickles and carrot.
Chinese mix achar.
Mix acha.
That's
In South Africa, we
Indian
also
mix achar.
mix acha. In South Africa, we have lots of acha.
Achar.
Oh, acha. I love acha. Oh, I'm having acha. Thank you for acha. Thank you. I woke up and I was kind of like tired. I was kind of tired, or yeah. I didn't sleep very and so I decided to do a power walk. Okay, I have to do my camera, I guess. I decided to do a power walk, and I came to the same restaurant that I came to yesterday, and today I'm having this vegan, no, vegetarian and food, but it's a vegetarian Indian breakfast, and it includes acha. You have no idea. Like them gods are taking care of me. They're taking care of me. Acha. I loved acha in South Africa growing up. And I mean, I'm just like leaving South Africa 20 something years ago. Yeah, I mean, I've missed all of these things, but I find them all over the world. And I think like, yeah, it's like you grow and you change and you evolve. But having acha for breakfast is like dream come true. Okay, look at my breakfast. Thank you so much. This is like dream come true. Oh, you have no idea how excited I am. This is the best birthday present ever. Best birthday meal. The universe will provide, whether you are in your country or not, wherever you are in the world. I was like, I really want a good breakfast, birthday breakfast. And I love the fact that I'm traveling by myself right now. And I'm just with my Dhamma brothers. But I keep moving around. And I'm just loving the fact that I'm doing this pilgrimage on my own without my handsome husband. But I love the fact that I'm getting everything that I've ever wanted. Everything that I've ever wanted. Thank you, Pajan. You're a pretty amazing nun teacher. But I'm getting everything I want. I'm a queen, yeah. Yeah. And acham. And potato curry. And I'm going to have some coffee. And then I'm going to the temple. And then I'm going back to the monastery. Because I got stuff to do. I got stuff to do. Happy birthday to me. Yeah. Happy birthday to Nantembi. It's a good day. Celebrating me. Honestly, I gotta make it shit up. Mm, mm, mm. This is the best breakfast I've had in a long time. Sorry, I'm eating and talking at the same time. Sorry, I don't know how to help you with the stuff, but man, woman. This is like, oh my God, so good. It has healed decades, years of missing South Africa with just one breakfast. It's amazing. It's amazing. Life is good. Acha. It's amazing. Wow. Thank you, God. Thank you, Buddha consciousness. Mm, thank you. I'm going to share my food with you, okay? But it's just that I don't have a tripod today because I'm trying to travel light. But this food is amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. Oh, maybe I can put it here. Hold on.
I have three. I have three sons.
You do?
My big son.
Oh, he's so handsome. So he's married?
Married.
Oh, good.
Latest married.
You have grandchildren?
I have three children.
Oh,
But
no grandchildren.
no girl.
Oh,
I have three sons.
you have only son.
That's sir. Three. And there's second.
The fathers always like to talk to me. They just love to talk to me.
Yeah, second son.
Mm.
Second son. Employee, Noida.
Oh, good.
Gurgaon, Haryana.
Where is that?
New Delhi.
Oh, New Delhi.
Haryana.
Oh, very good. He married too?
Employee of ARM posted. Post of ARM.
What is ARM?
ARM. My small boy.
Mm. He loves putting on makeup. He's creative. Every time I'm at a restaurant by myself, somebody wants to talk to me about something. Mm. I'm showing you my food because I don't have a tripod. And I'm eating and talking at the same time. It's like so rude. But like I have to show you what I'm eating and how to eat it. Mm. 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 I'm having a food orgasm right now. It's like combined with the spiritual orgasm is something going on. But it's something. But hmm and then you can take and you can put and then you can put some acha. Oh, this acha is amazing. It's like mango pickle with carrot. Mm. 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 Oh my God. I cannot tell you how good this is. I'm a fancy nun. Okay, I'm a fancy nun. Fajan taught me how to be a fancy nun. In fact, you don't have to be a nun that's like in poverty and stuff like that. Now you can be a fancy nun. Fajan's a fancy monk. So we drink fancy coffee. Mm, mm, mm. There's just some things you can give up on. That's good food. For me, it's good food. Honestly, it's good food, good hotels, good monasteries, clean monasteries. I'm staying in a very clean monastery right now. I don't actually know if I've stayed in a dirty monastery. I've never stayed in a dirty monastery. Hmm. No, I've never stayed in a dirty monastery. I choose not to. I put it out into the universe. Please, no dirty monastery. Mm, 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 mm. I'm having a food orgasm. It's happening. It's like happening right now. It's like, oh my God, it's happening. Oh, thank you, Buddha. Buddha consciousness. Asa, oset. Imhotep. I'm having the time of my life. The time of my life. I sound like an American. It's amazing. But my food is amazing. After this, I'm going to the temple. After the temple, I need to buy some battery, I guess. It's like traveling is something else. It's honestly something else. You have to think of batteries. You have to think of converters for you to charge up everything. I'm eating bentonite a lot because, I'm eating at different places all the time. And bentonite helps me bring all the stuff. You don't know if there's parasites in the food or what. So bentonite just helps me bring all of it together and just, eliminate it. But I'm having the time of my life with this amazing food. I can't sit up straight. If I sit up straight, you won't be able to see me. So that's why I'm slouching. But I'm having the time of my life. This is amazing. Like, it's amazing. Okay, so this is the Lord Shiva temple. Lord Shiva temple. So I'm walking. Of course, you can see I'm walking. I'm doing my. India is just all about thing. I think yesterday I was kind of grumpy because I'm not used to the. My goodness, what time do they open? So close. Hmm? Yeah. You know, so I'm going to the Chinese temple. I don't know what time they open. I don't understand. Why are they not open yet? Okay, maybe I should go down there. Maybe it's not 9 o'clock yet, so they're not open. Oh, I think they are open. I think. I don't know what's happening. But I really need to go in. to a Chinese temple. What time you open? 9 o'clock? Open? Ah, they open. Let's go. I think yesterday I was upset when I was doing my power walk because I'm agitated. Look at the school children. I'm agitated by the constant pooping, pooping. It's like poop, 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 poop. Oh my goodness, I need to cross before the cars. It's agitating me. It's like I didn't realize this, but it's really agitating me. Oh, the Kuan Yin temple. Oh, so beautiful. Open? Oh, thank you, thank you. I want to see Kuan Yin. Oh, Kuan Yin. Thank you, thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful. I am the first person inside. Ay, so beautiful. Look at Kuan Yin. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 I just love Kuan Yin. Yeah, I think I needed to come to Kuan Yin on my birthday. Oh, look at the dragons! Look at the dragons! The dragon! Yeah, I need to sit down in 2 seconds. Of course, they opened up the temple for me first, right? So I need to finish my thought before I start doing these things. Because once I start, I can never stop. Okay. So beautiful on my birthday, Kuan Yin. Yeah. Oh, and the breeze is so beautiful. But I realized why I was upset yesterday when I was doing my power walk. It's because of the boom, 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 boom. It gives me a headache and it gives me from the island that I live on where there's hardly any, I don't hear a sound, but birds. To constant boom, it just gives me a headache that I didn't even realize. Yeah, I have a headache and agitated. Can you imagine, like, if you don't know what the flies, what is making you agitated? You live an angry life and you don't even know why you're angry. It's the sound. Because from where I live on the island, there is no sound. All I hear is birds and geckos. Geckos. To constant hooting and just it was agitating me. But happy birthday. Bye.